script in my mind, I hope that you follow it for once. I imagine myself inside in the room with platinum and gold eyes, dancing, catch your eye, you be mesmerized, oh. Find the corner there, your hands in my hair, finally we're here, so why? Saying you got a flight, need an early night, no, don't go yet. Don't go yet, 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 don't go yet. What you leaving for when my night is yours, just a little more, don't go yet. Baby, don't go yet, cause I wore this dress for a little drama.
Our 10 lovely candidates of the Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 in their funwear by Malaika Llamas.
Gotta get you, baby. We find the corner there, your hands in my hair, finally we're here, so why? Saying you got a flight, need an early night, no, don't go yet. Don't go yet, 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 don't go yet. What you leaving for when my night is yours, just a little more, don't go yet.
A big round of applause to our lovely candidates vying for the title of the Sinulog Festival Queen 2024. Our performers, KDF Kansugbo Dance Fusion and the University of Cebu Dance Company. Together with Sinulog Festival Queen 2023, Kiara Leon Wellington of Talisay City, wearing a Malaika Llamas. It's time to meet our candidates, beginning with candidate number 1.
Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor! Ako si Mary Kay Lyles Barriola, 19 anyos, gikan sa Barangay San Roque Ciudad. Viva Pit Señor!
Candidate number 2.
Don't go yet.
Maayong gabi, Sugbo! Ako si Jenny Moandigo, 19 ang Panginoon, nagarepresenta sa kulturang Cebuanon sa Balangay, Tipadilla. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor!
Candidate number 3.
Find the corner there, your hands in my hair, finally we're here, so why? Saying you got a flight, need an early night, no, don't go yet.
Maayong gabi, Sugbo! I am Nina Blythe Boniel, 19, representing Barangay Sabang Dako! Viva Pit Señor! Viva Santo Niño!
Candidate number 4.
Masaulugon ang mga Sugboanon na nagadiin-diin sa magsagubang sa mga indigay sa kinabuhi o gibalik kini sa katawhan pinaagi sa pagsaulog ug hudyaka. Maayong gabi pinalangga kong Sugbo. Ako si Mary Hanalet Laog-Laog, pulo og siyam ang panuigon, ang bililhong hiyas sa katahom ug kaanyag nga mapasigar buhong nagarepresentar sa nagkahiusang pamilyang Cebugen. Ug ako magaingon nga Sugbo padayon sa pag-uswag, padayon sa paglambo, ug mabuhi ang Sinulog Festival. Viva! Viva Sugbo! Viva! Viva Pet Señor!
Candidate number 5.
Gikan sa tinubdan sa Sidlakang Bahandi, sa Caloocan City, Negros Oriental. Maayong gabi, Sugbo! Ako si Mariel Bogert, mapasigarbuhong nagrepresentar sa tribo Kanglaon. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor!
Candidate number 6.
Together we will bring love, faith, and hope as one beat, one vision, and one nation. Maayong gabi, Sugbo! Ako si Mary Love Lopez, 21 ang panuigon. Mapasigarbohong nagarepresentar sa Banawan Cultural Group sa Barangay Guadalupe. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor!
Candidate number 7.
Maayong gabi, syudad sa Sugbo. Gikan sa Barangay Inayawan, ako si Francie Munina Romanos, 19 ang panuigon, mapasigarbong musayaw para sa balaang bata sa Sugbo. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva Pet Señor!
Candidate number 8.
Gugma, debosyon, og timos nga mapasalamaton sa tanang grasyang nadawat. Maayong gabi kanatong tanan! Ako kini, si Chris Mary K. Ramos, napulog 7 ang panuigon. Gikan sa syudad, nga puno sa kasadya, walay lain, kundili ang barangay Suba! Sangpit sa Senyor, Pet Senyor, tribo masadyaong Subanyan, Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Candidate number 9.
Maayong gabi, Sugbo! Ako si Mary Ellen Hauschild, 16
nagarepresentar sa Banay San Nicolas nun o Barangay San Nicolas proper. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva San Nicolas! Viva Pit Señor!
Candidate number 10.
Maayong gabi, Sugbo! Ako, si Nikki Van, na 10 ug 8 ang panhaigon, naga-representa sa Lumad Basakanon. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor!
2 weeks, wonderful memories have been shared and lasting friendships have been forged. And one lady stands for touching the lives of her fellow candidates with her special brand of friendship. In gratitude, her fellow candidates have chosen her as this year's Miss Friendship.
Miss Friendship will receive a trophy, sash, and a cash prize. To present the award to Miss Friendship is Miss Margot Domingo Frasco. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Friendship is Festival Queen number 9 from Barangay San Nicolas proper, Mary Ellen Housechild. Once again, mga higala, ang ato ang Miss Friendship Festival Queen number 9 from Barangay San Nicolas proper.
Next, we have Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic was chosen by our official photographer, Mark Dallas. She will receive a trophy, sash, bouquet, and cash prize.
To present the Miss Photogenic Award are our Sinulog Festival Queen official photographer, Mark Philip Dallas of MW Studio, and Cesar Azanza of Macy's Camera Shop. Of course, frame sponsor Jude Mike Delimaro of One Fine Pictures. Thank you very much. And we shall reveal the winner or our Miss Photogenic tonight.
And our Miss Photogenic is candidate number Candidate number 3 from Barangay Sapang Dako, Nina Blythe Boniel. Let's move now to our next set of awards, this time from our corporate sponsors. Our first corporate award is Mr. DIY Sinulog Queen.
She will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and 5,000 pesos. And 5,000 pesos worth of Mr. DIY products. May we request Mark Charles Salesina, Senior Marketing Manager, and Mark Muhaymin, Head of RTM, to present the award to our Mr. DIY Sinulog Queen.
And our Mr. DIY Sinulog Queen is candidate number 3 from Barangay Sapang Dako, Nina Blythe Boniel. Congratulations.
We move on to our next corporate award. And our next corporate award is Garnier, Fresh Face of Sinulog. She will receive sash, bouquet of flowers, and 10,000 pesos worth of Garnier items.
May we request Nadine Dorego, the product manager of Garnier Philippines, to present the award to our Garnier Fresh Face of Sinulog.
And our Garnier Fresh Face of Sinulog is Festival Queen number 10, Jashley Van Hemelen from Lumad, Basicanon.
Our next award is Miss Mang Inasal. She will receive 20,000 worth of gift certificate. May we request Mr. Jonko Jr. to present the award to our Miss Mang Inasal.
Here we go. Our Miss Mang Inasal is Festival Queen number 5 from Kanglaan City, Marielle Boger. Congratulations. We move on to our next award, Miss Listo Ganado of San Miguel Foods Incorporated, or BMEG. She will receive 10,000 pesos worth of cash and products. To present the award are area sales managers Doc Joe Arias, Roderick Kika, and trade marketing Emma Wamina.
Our Miss Listo Ganado of San Miguel Foods Incorporated, or BMEG, is no other than candidate number 7 from Barangay Inayawan, Frenchie Monina Ramos. Congratulations! Moving on, we now have Miss Magnolia Chicken Templados. She'll receive sash and 10,000 pesos worth of cash and products. To present the award are area sales manager Miriam Tevez and Jason Texon, and trade marketing manager Emma Juanminal.
Miss Magnolia Chicken Templados is Festival Queen number 6 from Barangay Guadalupe, Mary Love Lopez.
Next, we have our RLC Residences Property Specialist Award. The winner will receive gift certificate worth 3,000 pesos. May we request Bernard Alonzo and Michelle Alexander to present the award.
And our RLC Residences Property Specialist Award is Festival Queen number, once again, Festival Queen number 6 from Barangay Guadalupe, Mary Love Lopez. Embracing the spirit of Sinulog in Cebu, RLC Residences proudly presents itself as a co-presenter of this grand celebration. For over 4 decades, RLC Residences, the residential arm of Robinson's Land Corporation, have dedicated to the art of creating beautiful homes and crafting delightful living experiences. Its commitment to excellence is woven into the very fabric of its tagline, Raise, Live, Connect. Experience the life you've all been dreaming of in its properties here in Cebu. Check out Amisa Private Residences, Azalea Place Cebu, Galleria Residences Cebu, and the soon-to-rise Mantawi Residences in Mandaue City. Visit our website at rlcresidences.com and let the journey to your dream home in Cebu begin.
Next, we have Miss Peaks G. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and 5,000 pesos worth of products. May we request Clarence De La Vega to present the award.
And our Miss Peaks G is... We would like to request Attorney Rainier Mura to please hand in the results. But right now we shall move on to our next corporate award, Miss Coca-Cola. Miss Coca-Cola will receive a sash, 5,000 pesos cash, and 5,000 pesos worth of Coca-Cola products. And to present the award, we have Mr. Albert Sabido and Danielle Montesilio. And our Miss Coca-Cola is Festival Queen number 2 from Abellana National High School, Jenny Mondigo. Congratulations to our Miss Coca-Cola. We move back to our Miss G Award, Miss Speaks G Award.
The winner will receive sash, bouquet of flowers, and 5,000 pesos worth of product. Once again, may we request Clarence De La Vega to present the award.
And our Miss Speaks G is Festival Queen number 7.
From Barangay Inayawan, Frenchie Monina Ramos. Next, we have Miss Skin Magical. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and 5,000 pesos worth of products. May we request Chai San Felipe to present the award.
And our Miss Skin Magical is Festival Queen number 9, Mary Ellen Housechild from Barangay San Nicolas proper.
Let's all give our first set of special awardees a big, big round of applause.
Thank you very much, OJ and Nicole. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sinulog Idol Season 15 second runner-up, Veronica Hanyola. Thank you very much. Candidate number 1, Mary Kay Batayola of Tribos San Roque sa Ciudad. Again, thank you very much. Barangay Captain Virginia Abenoja. Candidate number 2 is 19 years old. She is the lead dancer of Kulturang Sugbuanon sa Barangay Tipadilla. We would like to thank Barangay Captain Honorable Irene Cordero Nadal. Here is candidate number 2, Jenny Mondigo.
Subuanon ko, kinipasigan ko. Subuanon ko, kinisinggit ko. Subuanon ko, tatak sa kong pagka-Pinoy. Subuanon ko, mas lingaw sa Cebu. Mas lingaw sa Cebu. May pagkaon nga lamian, nga baratong mapalit. Kining tanan, daling masawhan. Kani atong ipaambit ka sa alang sa katawhan. Gikan sa kahitasan, kinibunga sa atong pakiglambigit. Mayro's kilyo sa liluan, may tota sa argaw. Litsong talisay nga lamian, may tapas sa danaw. Lamiang yepo sa Balamban, makasi sa Cordova. Adunay pinto sa Bugo, maistan Central tamis pa. Kay subuanon ko, kiniipasigan ko. Kay subuanon ko, kiniisinggit ko. Kay subuanon ko, tatak sa kong pagka-Pinoy. Kay subuanon ko, masingaw sa Cebu. Masingaw sa Cebu. May daghan tang kaatuan, panahon sa ting-init. Sa Carmen man o Lindugon, kang Maria tamo sangpit. Kapistahan sa mga santos, dilita ipalabay. Sa bato balanita, magkaway-kaway. Puting baybayo sa bantayan, kawasan sa badyan. Urag kas gitara pa sa obon, ang nailhan sa tanan. May gapkaban kadaugan, may silmugig kabanhawan. May hudya ka, may sinulog, bitsinyo na kong tanan. Kay subuanon ko, tapos sa dughan ko. Kay subuanon ko, kinisinggit ko. Kay subuanon ko, tatak sa akong pagkatao. Subuanon ko, I love you Cebu. I love you Cebu. I love you Cebu. Kay subuanon ko, I love you Cebu. Subuanon ko.
Once again, candidate number 2, Jenny Mondigo of Kulturang Sugbuanon sa Barangay Tipadilla. Leading the way this time for Barangay Sapangdako is candidate number 3. We wish to acknowledge the support of Sapangdako Barangay Captain, the Honorable Jovi Ladraso. Here she is, candidate number 3, Ninya Blith Boniel.
Subad na sa sinulog, kitang tanan magpitsinyo.
Daghang salamat. Thank you very much. Candidate number 3, representing Barangay Sapangdako, Ninya Belief Boniel. Again, we wish to acknowledge the support of Barangay Captain Jovi Ladraso of Barangay Sapangdako. Candidate number 4 is a lead dancer of Pamilyang Cebu Gen. Here she is, candidate number 4, 19-year-old Mary Hanilet Lauglaug. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mariel Bogert of Tribo Canlaon of Canlaon City. Again, thank you very much to Canlaon City Mayor, the Honorable Jose Chubasco Cardenas. Our fourth candidate is a 21-year-old lead dancer of the Banawan Cultural Group of Barangay Guadalupe. We wish to say thank you to Barangay Guadalupe Barangay Captain, the Honorable Apple Rose Gakasan Enriquez. Here she is now, candidate number 6, Mary Love Lopez. There she goes, candidate number 9, Mary Ellen Hauschild. Thank you very much. Candidate number 10, Jasly Van Hemelen.
One dance, one vision, one beat, one dance.
Candidate number 1 is 19-year-old Mary Kay Batayola of Tribos, San Jose, sa Ciudad. We wish to thank Barangay Captain Honorable Virginia Abenoja.
The Philippines, a sacred place where the sun kisses the sea with a warm embrace. Cebu City, you're a jewel in our nation's crown, where we come to celebrate Sinulog all year round. This 2024, streets come alive. Our beloved Santo Niño will be your guiding light. With colors and music, sound of the drums, we will dance to give honor and faith with all our heart. One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines. One beat, one dance, one vision. Philippines, Señor. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines.
Candidate number 2 is 19-year-old Jenny Mondigo of Kulturang Subuanon sa Barangay Tipadilla. We say thank you to Barangay Captain Irene Cordero Nadal.
One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines. One beat, one dance, one vision. Philippines, Señor. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines. Ipasidunggan kastanan o Santo Niño, na ila ang dakbayan tungod kanimo. Kinatibuk ang isla sa Subo, gisimba ka o gisayaw ka agi sa tumang kamaya. Maghudya ka ta, magkuyog ta sa ulugong kapistahan sa balaan nga bata. Mabulukong talan-awon, maglipay ta sa kadalanan, magpanunog, magsinulog ta.
Our third candidate is a 19-year-old lead dancer of Barangay Sapandako. We wish to thank Barangay Captain Joey Ladraso for her support. Candidate number 3, Nina Believe Boniel. Our fourth candidate is a 19-year-old lead dancer of Pamilyang Cebujan, Mary Hanelet Lauglaug.
City of the Philippines, a sacred place where the sun kisses the sea with a warm embrace. Cebu City, you're a jewel in our nation's crown, where we come to celebrate Sinulog all year round. This 2024, streets come alive. Our beloved Santo Niño will be your guiding light. With colors and music, sound of the drums, we will dance to give honor and faith with all our heart. One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines. One beat, one dance, one vision. Philippines, Señor.
Candidate number 5 is 18 years old. She leads the way for Tribo Canlaon of Canlaon City, Negros Oriental. We wish to thank the Honorable Jose Chubasco Cardenas, Mayor of the City of Canlaon. Candidate number 5, Mariel Bogert.
One beat, one dance, one vision. Philippines, Señor. Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines. Sa SRP kita magsinulog. Mas daghan, mas sadya na tumatapok. Ang balaan, Señor, Santo Niño nga
Our sixth candidate is a 21-year-old lead dancer of Banawan Cultural Group of Barangay Guadalupe. We wish to thank Barangay Guadalupe Barangay Captain, the Honorable Apple Rose Gagasan Enriquez. Candidate number 6, Mary Love Lopez. Candidate number 7 leads the way for the Inayawan Talents Guild and Cultural Dance Troupe of Barangay Inayawan. And we wish to acknowledge the support of Barangay Inayawan Barangay Captain, the Honorable Attorney Kirk Brian Haka Repolyo. Here is candidate number 7, 19-year-old Frenchie Monina Romanos. Candidate number 8 is 17 years old. She represents Tribo Masadyaong Subanian of Barangay Suba. We wish to thank Barangay Captain Honorable Jemser Sable. Candidate number 8, Chris Mary Kay Sable.
City of the Philippines, a sacred place where the sun kisses the sea with a warm embrace. Cebu City, you're a jewel in our nation's crown, where we come to celebrate Sinulog all year round. This 2024, streets come alive. Our beloved Santo Niño will be your guiding light. With colors and music, sound of the drums, we will dance to give honor and faith with all our heart. One beat, one dance, one vision.
Candidate number 9 is only 16 years old. She dances for Banay San Nicolas Non of Barangay San Nicolas. We say thank you to Barangay Captain Clifford Ninyal. Candidate number 9, Mary Ellen Housechild.
Pasidunggan kastanan o Santo Niño, na ila ang dakbayan tungod kanimo. Kinatibuk ang isla sa Subo, gisimba ka o gisayaw ka.
And finally, we have candidate number 10, the 21-year-old lead dancer of Lumad Basakanon of Barangay Basak San Nicolas. We wish to say thank you to Barangay Captain Norman Navarro. Candidate number 10, Chesley Van Hemelen.
Mas
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back our candidates for the Grand Showdown. Beginning with candidates 1, 2, and 3. Candidates 1, 2, and 3. Candidates 4, 5, 6, and candidates 7, 8, 9, and 10. The Grand Showdown on the search for the Sinulog Festival Queen 2024.
Gipasidunggan kastanano Santo Niño na ila ang dakbayan tungod kanimo. Kinatibok ang isla sa Subo, gisimba ka o gisayaw kaagi sa tumang kamaya. Maghudya ka ta, magkuyog ta sa ulugong kapistahan sa balaan nga bata. Mabulukong talan-awon, maglipay ta sa kadalanan magpanunog, magsinulog ta.
A round of applause, please, to the 10 lovely and talented candidates on the search for the Sinulog Festival Queen 2024. Thank you very much, ladies. Friends, please welcome back Nicole and OJ.
Mga higala, atong hatagan ang atong mga maanyag nga Festival Queens ug masipang pakpak! Thank you very much, ladies. You all look wonderful tonight. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce our winners for our second set of special awards. May we request Attorney Rainier Mora of MSMA accounting firm Mora Sanchez Mendoza and Associates to hand in the results. Thank you very much, Attorney Rainier Mora.
Our first corporate award is Miss Philippine Airlines. Miss Philippine Airlines will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and 25,000 pesos PAL e-card. May we request Miss Elise Manuel Mendez of Philippine Airlines to present the award. Miss Philippine Airlines is candidate number 6 from Barangay Guadalupe, Mary Love Lopez. Let's now move to our next award, Windsor's Elegance Ambassadors. Windsor's Elegance Ambassadors will receive a sash and 10,000 pesos cash.
May we request Windsor Ambassador Derek Ramsey and Jacqueline Amistoso, Marketing Manager, to present the award to Windsor's Elegance Ambassadress. And our Windsor's Elegance Ambassadress is Festival Queen number 6, Maria Love Lopez of Barangay Guadalupe.
We now have Miss New Star Sports Max. She will receive a sash, 10,000 pesos cash. To present the award are Mr. Christopher Cañadela, Marketing Director of New Star Online Casino.
And Miss New Star Sports Max is Festival Queen number 6, Mary Love Lopez of Barangay Guadalupe.
Next, we have Miss Bingo Plus. The winner will receive 20,000 pesos worth of products. May we request MJ Habonero, Visayas and Mindanao Operations Manager of Bingo Plus, to present the award.
And our Miss Bingo Plus is Festival Queen number 6, Mary Love Lopez from Barangay Guadalupe. Festival Queen number 10, Jashley Van Hemelen from Lumad, Pasaganon.
And finally, our Miss Beauty Vault. Our Miss Beauty Vault will receive a 5,000 pesos cash prize, a 5,000 pesos worth of Beauty Vault items, and of course, a sash. We'd like to request Mr. Jeff Tan, the president of Rising Dragon Beauty and Wellness Training Corp., Mr. Glenn Lawas, the marketing manager, and Mr. Chai Ko, the Beauty Vault Region 7 regional distributor, to present the award.
And our Miss Beauty Vault is Festival Queen number 6, Mary Love Lopez from Barangay Guadalupe. Congratulations to all of our awardees and winners of our second set of special awards. Ato silang hatagan ng masibang pakpak.
Thank you very much, Nicole and OJ. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sinulog Idol Season 15 Grand Champion, John Ryan Panuncialman.
Smart Super Value Deals. Enjoy PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps, plus only TikTok.
Or magic.
Once again, Sinulog Festival Queen 2023, Kiara Leon Wellington of Talisay City. A big round of applause for her, please. Please welcome back Nicole and OJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, last Monday, January 15, at the Mountain View of SM Seaside City, Cebu, our 10 lovely candidates paraded their beautiful costumes and to shade the runway.
2 special awards were given, and it has no bearing in choosing the winner tonight. These are the Best in Runway and Awesome Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 by SM Supermalls. This year's Best in Runway is Mary Love Lopez of Banawan Cultural Group of Barangay Guadalupe.
And Awesome Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 is Mariel Boguer of Tribu Canlaon of Canlaon City, Negros Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big, big round of applause. Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 will be wearing a new crown specially designed by Rodel M. De Silva of the Sash and Crown Maker Philippines. The crown is called Unidad or Unity, a regal crown with vibrant ruby stones and dazzling Swarovski crystals, creating a luxurious and majestic accessory fit for royalty. We would like to thank you so much once again, Rodel M. De Silva of the Sash and Crown Maker Philippines.
We'd like to thank SM Seaside City Cebu for the support and the venue of the runway competition. Special thanks to Ms. Marisa Fernan, the Vice President of SM Prime Holdings, Ms. Pierre Anter Infante of SM Supermalls in the Visayas. Thank you very much.
And of course, we would like to
Best in Opening Production will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers from June Villanelle of June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and a cash prize.
Our Best in Opening Production will also be our Miss Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated. And our best in opening production is entry number 5, Canlaon City, their festival queen, Mariel Boguer. To award, once again, Attorney Colin Rosell and Mrs. Teresa Rosell.
Sinulog, isagit ug kusog. Tanan magsaulog. Sinulog, isagit ug kusog. Tanan magsaulog, sinulog. Sinulog.
Now it's time for the best in festival costume. The award is given to the designer of the costume. She'll receive a sash, bouquet of flowers from June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and the designer will receive 10,000 pesos cash.
To present the award, please welcome former SKF President Jessica Resch. And our best Sinulog Festival costume is worn by Festival Queen number 5, Mariel Boguer of Canlaon City. We would like to request Ms. Sinbeth Aureliano to award our Best in Festival costume. Festival costume worn by Festival Queen number 5, Mariel Boguer of Canlaon City.
Isagit ug kusog. Tanan magsaulog. Sinulog, isagit ug kusog. Tanan magsaulog.
Sunny, with their designer Sunny Abayla, congratulations.
Next award is given to the candidate's best instrumentalist, the best in musicality. The only contingents with live accompaniment will qualify for this award. The group will receive 10,000 pesos cash.
To present the award, please welcome CCTC Commissioner Sinbeth Orellano, together with Miss Cebu 2023 fourth runner-up Nina Ilustrísimo. And our best in musicality is Group number 5 from Canlaon City, Mariel Boguer.
The next special award is the best solo performer. The best solo performer will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers from June Villanelle of June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and a cash prize.
To present the award, please welcome Miss Cebu 2024 fourth runner-up Shaina Michelle Reyes. And second runner-up, Daniel McKay De La Cruz. And our best solo performer is Festival Queen number 6 from Barangay Guadalupe, Mary Love Lopez.
And finally, the best in group production presentation. The candidate and her contingent will also receive cash prize.
To present the award, please welcome Miss Cebu 2024 third runner-up Angel Jane Ruiz. And first runner-up, Joelle Divine Uy. And our best in group performance is Festival Queen number Kinsaman! Festival Queen number 5, Mariel Bogier of Canlaon City.
And finally, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time for us to announce our top 5 winners. We'd like to request Attorney Rainier Mora of SMSA accounting firm, Mora Sanchez Menioza and Associates, to hand in the results. We're just verifying the results here with Attorney Mora.
Thank you very much, Attorney Rainier Mora.
And now, OJ, let's start with our 4th runner-up. 4th runner-up will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers from June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and a cash prize.
To present the award, please welcome Mr. Leo Ortiz and Margarita Domingo Bargo Frasco. Together with Miss Cebu 2024, Zoe Cameron. And our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024, 4th runner-up is Festival Queen Festival Queen number 7 from Barangay Inayawan, Frenchie Monina Ramos. Congratulations to our 4th runner-up, Festival Queen number 7, Frenchie Monina Ramos of Barangay Inayawan.
Next is this year's 3rd runner-up. The 3rd runner-up will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers from June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and cash prize.
To present the award, please welcome Mr. Nestor Hardin, Chris Miliado, and SKF President Rhea Hakosalem. And our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024, 3rd runner-up is Festival Queen number 10, Jashley Van Hemelen of Lumad, Basakanon. Congratulations to our 3rd runner-up, Festival Queen number 10, Jashley Van Hemelen of Lumad, Basakanon.
Next is this year's 2nd runner-up. The 2nd runner-up will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers of June Villanelle Flowers and Events, and 50,000 pesos cash.
To award our 2nd runner-up, please welcome Mr. Larry Gabao, Cynthia Thamalia, and Honorable Dondon Honteveros. And our second runner-up is... Festival Queen number 3, Ninya Blythe Boniel of Barangay Sapang Dako.
Sinulog, masyagi tusog. Tanan magsaulog. Sinulog, masyagi tusog. Tanan magsaulog. Sinulog. Sinulog. Sugdan ni Balaghay, maoy atong dungog. Sayaw nga di pari sa paglihok sa sulog. Pangadji o panampit, alang sa Santo Niño. Ihalad ang kinabuhi aron malipay pang Ginoo. Sinulog.
Congratulations to our second runner-up, Ninya Blythe Boniel.
Next is this year's first runner-up. The first runner-up will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers of June Billionaire Flowers and Events, and a cash prize.
To present the award, please welcome Ms. Pauline Amelinks, Vice Mayor Raymond Garcia with his lady, Kate Garcia, and Honorable Joy Pesquera.
Sa mga pasundayag, mag-iayta sa pagtambol, kinibot ng panahon. Sinulog, masyagi tusog.
And our first runner-up is... Festival Queen number 6, Mary Love Lopez from Barangay Guadalupe.
Sinulog, masyagi tusog. Tanan magsaulog. Sinulog, masyagi tusog. Tanan magsaulog.
Congratulations to our first runner-up, Mary Love Lopez of Barangay Guadalupe. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024. Our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 will also be Miss to Go, and she will receive 2 round-trip tickets with meals worth 10,000 pesos. To present the award to Miss to Go is Blessy Cruz, Senior AVP for Marketing. Our Sinulog Festival Queen will also be Miss Sunlight Air. She will receive 1 round-trip ticket to any Sunlight Air destination and Sunlight Air merchandise, to be awarded by JC Bonifacio and Krisha Martin. Our Sinulog Festival Queen will also be Miss Dexcom Game Changer Award. She will receive 10,000 pesos cash, to be awarded by Miss Trish Yap and Bunny Operto. And she will also be Miss PLDT. She will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and 10,000 pesos cash, to be awarded by PLDT Area Manager Edgar Bordador and Brand Ambassador Pauline Amelinks.
The Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 will also receive a sash, bouquet of flowers of June Billionaire Flowers and Events, and 150,000 pesos cash.
Our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 will also be Miss Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated. To present the award to our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024, may we have Gary Santiago, Mayor Mike Rama, First Lady Madam Malu Rama. Please join us on stage to award our winner. Here we go! Are you ready?
And we request Kiara Leon Wellington, Sinulog Festival Queen 2023, to join our officials on stage to award this year's winners and turn over the crown.
Thank you very much. Here we go! Our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024 is... Festival Queen number 5! Noriel Boger of Calaan City!
One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog sa Super Philippines. Queen City of the Philippines, a sacred place where the sun kisses the sea with a warm embrace. Cebu City, you're a jewel in our nation's crown, where we come to celebrate Sinulog all year round. This 2024, streets come alive. Our beloved Santo Niño will be our guide and light. With colors and music, sound of the drums, we will dance to give honor and faith with all our heart. One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog sa Super Philippines. One beat, one dance, one vision. Viva Señor! Sinulog sa Super Philippines. Sa SRP kita magsinulog. Mas daghan mas sadya nga tumatapok. Ang malaan Senyor Santo Niño nga pinangatak. Atong isa.
And with that, congratulations to all of our queens who have been awarded tonight.
Again, congratulations, Mariel Bogier of Calaan City, our Sinulog Festival Queen 2024. To all our guests, Board of Judges and Tabulators, thank you very much for sharing with us your time and expertise.
One beat, one dance, one vision. Sinulog 2024. Our heartfelt thanks to the father of the city of Cebu and the overall chairman of Sinulog 2024, Mayor Michael Lopez Rama, together with Vice Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia and the entire Sangguniang Panglungsod.
One dance, one vision. Viva Señor! Sinulog sa Super Philippines. Sa SRP kita magsinulog. Mas daghan mas sadya nga
Sinulog Foundation Incorporated President and Chair of the Executive Committee, Dr. Pericles Ricky Dakay, and the member of the Board of Trustees, Sinulog Festival Executive Director, Mr. Elmer Jojo Colina Labelia, Cluster Competition Chair, Honorable Joy Pesquera, and Sinulog 2024 Overseer, Sinbeth Aureliano, and of course, June Jets Productions, headed by our overall artistic director, engineer Junjet Primor. We would like to especially thank our voiceover MC, Vince Escario.
Thank you very much. Let's all give them a big round of applause. And on Sunday, ladies and gentlemen, is the grandest and biggest event, the Sinulog Festival Grand Parade. To all competing contingents, good luck. And to our contingents outside Cebu, thank you very much for coming. And may the Holy Child Jesus, Señor Santo Niño, bless us always.
It's truly been our pleasure to be your host tonight. I am OJ Simafranca, of course, together with my wife.
I'm Nicole Simafranca.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan, and see you next year for Sinulog Festival Queen 2025. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva San Pedro Calungsod!
New day begins for you and me. Come take my lead, I'll make you see. A better version of Cebu City, right here, right now, free and easy. Let us move into the future hand in hand. No one's ever gonna be left behind. Just trust the command of Mayor Michael Rama. You've gotta have a heart. Together we can make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City. Let's help to make this dream come true and show to the world the true spirit of being.